Hi everyone. Today we're going to be discussing the Oasis Network, a decentralized blockchain platform that aims to provide privacy, security, and scalability to its users. First, let's start by understanding what the Oasis Network is all about. Oasis Network is a blockchain platform that is designed to meet the needs of decentralized applications that require privacy and security. It aims to provide a decentralized infrastructure that can be used by a variety of applications and services, such as decentralized exchanges, privacy-focused applications, and more. The Oasis Network is built on a unique consensus mechanism called Tenement Core. Tenement Core is a type of consensus mechanism that provides a fast and efficient way of verifying transactions. This allows the Oasis Network to achieve high levels of performance, which makes it ideal for decentralized applications that require fast and efficient transactions. One of the key advantages of the Oasis Network is its privacy-focused design. The platform offers several privacy features, such as confidential transactions and smart contract privacy, which allow users to keep their transactions private and secure. This is a huge benefit for users who are looking for privacy-focused blockchain solutions. Another advantage of the Oasis Network is its scalability. The platform is designed to scale to meet the growing demand for decentralized applications, and its fast and efficient consensus mechanism helps to ensure that transactions can be processed quickly and efficiently, even as the number of users and transactions on the platform grows. However, like any other cryptocurrency or blockchain platform, the Oasis Network also has some challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the limited number of applications that are currently available on the platform. While the Oasis Network is designed to support a wide range of applications, it is still in the early stages of development, and more applications will need to be developed and launched in order to make the platform more useful and accessible to a wider range of users. Another challenge is the limited adoption of the Oasis Network. While the platform has a growing community of developers and users, it still has a long way to go in terms of widespread adoption. This means that there may be limited liquidity for Oasis Network tokens, and the price of the token may be more volatile than other cryptocurrencies. So, should you consider investing in the Oasis Network? As with any investment, there are risks involved, and you should always do your own research and due diligence before investing. That being said, the Oasis Network has some unique and compelling features, such as its privacy-focused design and fast and efficient consensus mechanism, which make it an attractive option for investors who are looking for a decentralized blockchain platform that offers these features. In conclusion, the Oasis Network is an innovative blockchain platform that aims to provide privacy, security, and scalability to its users. While there are challenges ahead, such as limited adoption and the need for more applications, the platform has some compelling features that make it an attractive option for investors who are looking for a privacy-focused, fast and efficient decentralized blockchain platform. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, or if there's anything else you'd like to learn more about, be sure to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology.